una start dey ask una questions, I go like remind una say Rome was not built in a day. Yeah, my head!
If na your papa build Rome, go ask him and go continue your work. Old Trafford no be Rome.
Security! Block that guy! Make sure say you break something for him body. Disable him.
Okay, sir.
Na Sango go disable your molo with thunder.
Hey, stop there! Catch him!
Oh yeah, you there? Ask your question.
Alright, I have. The thing you on a gap watch, who you think said them go first, sir?
Which kind of nonsense question be that? First of all, Man U management don't promise me say them go stand by me as I dey rebuild the club, and I no go leave Man U until I bring Man U back to im past glory.
Okay. But as Man U fans no want you again, why you can't force them inside this toxic relationship with you?
I no dey force anybody to their relationship with me.
Come out Man U now, them no want you.
No be you be their talk person, and no be you go tell me to come out. Next question.
Oga Ten Hag, as Man U fans don dey fear Old Trafford, and even Red Devils don dey get nightmare for the theatre of dreams. Wetin you put inside Old Trafford wey make una opponents dey see the place as theatre wey Father Christmas dey share free points?
Father Christmas no dey Old Trafford. I don tell una say we still dey rebuild, and currently we get plenty injury problems.
All these ones wey you dey talk na super story because no be only say una dey share points for opponents, una dey dash dem boosted goal difference join.
Oya comot for here since you no get any better question again. Next question.
Oga Kochi, before you come Man U, I been the reason say coaches wey get molo dey win trophies pass. Unto say coaches like Zidane and Guardiola don clear our doubts. As you come enter Man U with molo wey dey shine, I reason say Man U go carry trophies so tey cabinet go dey beg. But wetin I come realize na say dem get different types of molo. All that glitters is not gold.
See, now questions about our match I can't answer here. No be lecture on the different types of molo wey dey. I come here. If you no get question, come on here.
My question na say, which kind of molo you get?
Your father. E be like say una no get better questions. Anytime wey una get better questions, make una call me. Nonsense.
Now wow, how person will go MLS to retire? We can't win Ballon d'Or. Me we carry highest goals, come still carry treble. I think say na this season I for start to dey carry Ballon d'Or. I swear these people rob me for blood daylight.
Na so them dey do na. It remain for them to give am Ballon d'Or.
Them don already give am now. You know see as them say na Infinity Ballon d'Or them give am.
Kai, I no sabi say una two no get sense like this o.
Wetin this one dey talk now?
You know say na figure 8 dem turn sideways?
Na lie, 8 na 8. Infinity na infinity. We no be small pikin. Them sabi wetin them dey do. Them don give am all the future Ballon d'Ors.
AKA Ballon d'Or.
Thank you.
Na so him rob Lewandowski that year, Iniesta, Xavi, even Van Dijk.
See, hold on, make I tell you something. The only thing wey you sabi do na to score goal. Your ball no dey sweet to watch. If no be for us wey dey supply ball give you, you no for see ball dey score. Na why you no fit even carry that way qualify for common Euros, talkless of World Cup. And for you dey talk based on say no be Ororo win am. The time wey him rob Ribarinka.
Ororo no rob anybody o. No be Messi still carry second that year.
Abeg shut up, Joe. E dey pain you say Ororo no reach Messi for anything.
No tell me shut up. I be your mate.
Na why you blame me?
No ever try tell me shut up for your life again. I no be your mate.
Shut up! Oh, shut up! Portugal, shut up!
You won't die today. Now today you go know say Portugal senior Argentina for age.